A home is not just a place, it is a feeling. Because this is where love resides, memories are made, friends belong, and laughter never fades. Welcome to an elaborate tour of an apartment by NN Developers. We are in a luxurious 1,570 square feet, fully furnished 3 BHK apartment, and this is the living area. As you can see, the area here is spacious with great ventilation and ample natural lighting as well. While the main door is made of teak wood, the entire apartment's flooring is covered with double-charged vitrified tiles, which gives your home a look of elegance. This is the dining area, which is spacious and where you can fit in square or round furniture. This is the spacious master bedroom. Now this area has great natural lighting, ample walk-around space around the furniture, that is, the bed. The vertical space can be utilized to fit in your closets, and the master bedroom is attached with a balcony on the outside. The entire apartment has 3 well-equipped bathrooms with standard fittings of Jaguar, and for the purpose of ease of maintenance and cleaning, the door frames are covered with granite and the walls are covered with tiles from floor to ceiling. This is the second bedroom, which you can see is quite spacious, which makes sure you have enough move-around space. The bedroom has an attached bathroom, and apart from that has a lovely balcony as well. The balcony not just facilitates natural lighting but has a great view from there. This is the guest bedroom. Even though it is the smallest of all the 3 bedrooms, it is surprisingly spacious with great ventilation and natural light as well. The vertical space is used for closets, and there is enough move-around space around the bed. The apartment has 3 spacious balconies, and this is the living room balcony, which you can utilize for the purpose of gardening or even throw a small party for your friends and family as well. This is the kitchen area. The abundance of space makes it easy to move from one counter to another counter. For the purpose of ease of maintenance and cleaning, all horizontal surfaces are covered with granite and the walls are covered with tiles for up to 7 feet. There is good natural lighting as well. Every apartment in this building is equipped with a centralized gas bank, and this card helps you with the same. Every apartment is individual in nature, which means no 2 apartments share a common wall. This means every apartment, that is every home, gets a sense of privacy, and not just that, it is also equipped with natural daylight and also great ventilation. You must know that every apartment has easy and direct access to all the surveillance cameras through the personal television. The property is located at a prime area with easy access to educational institutions, religious institutions, recreational spots, shopping marts, and highway. NN Developers believe in sustainability, and in light of this, the building has a sewage treatment plant where treated water is used for gardening while the rest moves to the soak pit. There is a spacious 7 feet wide passage area, fire alarm and extinguisher on every floor, elevator access, 24 hours security, 24 hours of uninterrupted power supply, ample parking space, and a wonderfully spacious setback area. Valentine Residency consists of 48 flats, and they are all currently sold out. NN Developers are coming up with a new residential project at a prime location in Brahmawar, which will be completed in a short span. Well, that was a glimpse of how your dream home can be. This is where you can find your happy place, because NN Developers don't just build a house, they build a home.